Hello everyone, welcome again my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. So guys, today in this exciting video all about braids hairstyles are here. If you are someone who loves to experiment with your hair or seek new ways to express yourself through hairstyles, you are in for a treat. In this comprehensive video, I will take you on a captivating journey through the mesmerizing world of braids. From classic and elegant to trendy and innovating, I will explore various braided hairstyles that will leave you feeling inspired and ready to unleash your creativity. So guys, grab your comb, some hair ties, and let's start braiding our way to elegance and creativity. So, dear viewers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to spread the love for braided hairstyles. Happy braiding! So, guys, in conclusion, braids are a magnificent form of self-expression that a never-evolving creativity and timeless hairstyling possibilities. I hope this video has inspired you to try out different braided hairstyles and embrace the beauty of diversity in hair artistry. So dear viewers, this video is all about you. In this video, I will demonstrate how the versatility braids can be for any occasion, whether you are heading to the gyms, attending a formal event, or simply going out with friends. There is a braided hairstyle that suits your needs, from casual and relaxed looks to polished and sophisticated ones. I have got a style for every moment in your life. So guys, watch this video till end and pick up the unique and very charming eye-catching hairstyle with braids. Braid with beaded hair, looking very stylish and enhance your beauty. So thank you.